if you're a freelancer or content creator, ChatGPT Atlas now gives you an edge and a way to earn smarter. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 practical ways to make money using ChatGPT Atlas. So grab your notes if you want to see how this browser can literally upgrade your freelance and creative business. First up is you can freelance faster. So let's start with the most obvious one, which is using Atlas to freelance. So you can open a client brief on Upwork or any freelance site at all, highlight the description and say, summarize this description or project and draft a convincing proposal. So Atlas reads the page, pulls the key details and writes the proposals instantly. This way, there's no need to copy and paste. So you can apply to twice as many jobs with half the effort. Freelancers are charging anywhere between $50 to $250 per project. So if you write 4 proposals per project, you can potentially earn $200 to $1,000 weekly just using this workflow. The next is content creation and YouTube monetization. So if you make YouTube videos and you create content, then ChatGPT Atlas should be your new research assistant. Normally, when I'm preparing for a video, let's say it's about AI tools for freelancers, I'll have up to 10 different tabs open, one for pricing, review, checking the features. It really gets messy, switching between tabs can take forever. However, with Atlas, I can stay on one single page and let ChatGPT do all the work for me. So for example, I can open one of the top search results and ask on the sidebar, summarize the 5 AI tools mentioned in this page and what problem each one solves. Then right inside the browser window, I can also say, now find similar tools mentioned on other pages and combine all the insights into one clear summary. So Atlas reads all those, context and sources, and instead of having 10 tabs, I have one single summary that has been pulled from across the web. In terms of monetization, YouTube's AdSense pays between $2 to $8 per 1K views. So with this flow, you can make more videos faster and earn even way faster. The third thing to do is to become a research assistant. So businesses and founders are always in need of quick insights in form of computer analysis, trends, summaries. So you can offer a service that says, I'll use ChatGPT Atlas to research 10 competitors and give you a summary of their pricing, customers and their features. So let's say each report earns you between $50 to $300. When you have few recurring clients like this, that's a smart way to make between $800 to let's say $1,200 every single month. That's very smart. The next is for technical writers, docs writers and SEO article writers. So if you're a technical writer or developer, this one is for you. You can open a documentation page or even a GitHub repo and ask it to summarize an API in plain English. So Atlas will generate the summaries based off of the code or the documentation page. So freelance tech writers earn up to $100 to $500 per blog post, and ghost documentation writers for startups can also earn between $300 to $500 per project. So the faster you write, the faster you earn, and Atlas will handle the major work for you. If you love teaching, this is where you can really scale. The next way to make money is to create a course or a workshop that shows people how to use ChatGPT Atlas for freelancing or content creation. I'm currently thinking about this as well. So you can name it something like Mastering ChatGPT Atlas. Earn more, earn less. Sell it for $49 to $149 on Gumroad, or even teach live sessions and earn an extra income. Really smart. The next way to make money is to make money by reviewing products and having affiliate links. So if you review tools or apps, Atlas can make the process very smart and fast for you. So you can open a product page and say, summarize this tool, the features, the pros, the cons, and then you can film a quick video, post it on YouTube and add your affiliate link. Affiliate commissions are usually between $5 to $100 per sale, and you can also offer paid reviews for brands between $200 to $1,000, and this can easily stack up to $300 to $2,000 every single month in extra income. You can always take everything you do to the next level when you combine Atlas with your current workflow. So those are 6 practical ways to make money using ChatGPT Atlas, all from your laptop. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which way of making money is the most exciting way for you. I'm Esther, and I'll see you in another one.